Assalamu alaikum. This is how you turn code into a money-making machine in 2026, inshallah. This is me. Around a year ago, I was working a 9 to 5 as a developer, but I wanted to do something more. I wanted to have a business, go full-time on it, be able to be free financially, earn more than my job, and I saw AI as a big opportunity for this. I started my business, and alhamdulillah, within my first month, I already crossed the $10,000 mark with just 2 clients. How did I do it? Is I started an AI business right here that basically helps traditional companies like law firms, real estate, etc. Those that don't know anything about AI, it helps them integrate AI into their business. Companies pay a few $1,000s per client, so with just a few clients, you can already cross the $10,000 mark. This is the business that allowed me to be free, to relocate geographically, and be independent, alhamdulillah. And along the way, I've documented my progress on this YouTube channel. You can find some of our clients, our sales calls, the things that we have done. And in the process, we have helped multiple brothers do the same and make money online with this business model. So in this video, I'm going to show you basically the full roadmap of how to get started on a $10,000 a month agency on the side. So I understand a lot of you guys, you're working, you have occupation, so you have to do this on the side until it generates enough revenue so that you can quit your job and go full time. This whole guide is designed with this in mind. The first part when you want to start a business is you need to figure out who you're going to sell to, right? But you want to pick the right niche. You don't want to go after any random niches. In this business model, we're going to work with businesses who need AI implementation, but they don't know how to do it themselves. And that's where you come in. You as a developer, you have the skills to make it happen. They usually need things that are super simple, like lawyers, accountants, doctors, dentists. Like they're not going to ask you to build a super complicated app, right? They need some kind of automation, some agents, some little apps, sometimes a better website and things like this. So you can pretty easily set it up for them. And the idea is that you pick one of those niches that you see here, those different categories, and you pick businesses that have enough money. So we don't work with small businesses that don't have capital. We work with businesses that are usually a little bit established. They have a few employees that have been in business for over a year or multiple years. So they have capital, they have money, they can send you money every month to manage their pipeline, manage their automations. That's what we're looking for. We charge in my agency between $2,000 and $10,000 for an implementation. And then we try to get them on a retainer. That's the goal. Once you have identified the niche, so go through it, see which one you're interested in, which one you have access to, which one can pay you money for. Maybe like, for example, if you have a lot of lawyers in your city, in your network, among your friends, the people you know, you can easily reach out to them, then go after that niche. Select 1 to 3 niches and then move to the next step. The next step is about creating an offer, because once you know who you want to sell to, you need to know what you're going to sell them. And the idea here is that we're not selling AI. What we're selling is a solution to a problem they have. So the first thing is to identify, if you pick a niche, for example, let's say you pick law firms, you want to identify what is a big problem that law firms have. Their problem is not that they need to use AI agents. AI agents is just a solution, it's just a tool that we're going to leverage to solve the problem. But we have to identify what is the main issue they have, because maybe their issue is they need to get more leads. Maybe their issue is that they're not able to qualify leads fast enough, it takes them too long. Maybe the issue is that they're not able to pick up the phone, like leads call at random hours of the day. They're not able to pick up the phone like half of the time, so they miss a lot of leads like this. Another issue is they struggle like reactivating leads, etc., etc. Their website is poorly optimized. So your goal is to define what would be a problem that you would want to solve, talk to them, do a little audit, and then you can basically have 4 different buckets of specific solutions you can sell, right? You can sell consultancy, because some companies, they have no idea what they need to do. So in the first place, you need to sell them an audit or maybe a custom workshop or a training. That's first step. For others, it is going to become clear, because maybe what the problem they have is they get a lot of phone calls. They're not able to answer the phone and book those calls on an appointment and then have like a CRM to manage it. So the solution here is a voice agent that would do it automatically. So it's essentially an automation. And there is usually 2 things that businesses care about, right? They either care about making money or saving money. It's always about this. So if you want to make them money, you need to get them to get calendars, to get leads booked on their calendar that are qualified and they're going to pay them money. How do lawyers make money? Someone books an appointment, they show up, then they pay for the appointment. That's how they make money. And the way you save the money is you automate repetitive tasks, like receptionists, for example, they have to answer the phone calls on existing clients and stuff like that. So you need to be in one of those buckets. Either you make the money or save the money. Same thing with automation, same thing with custom apps. For some clients, you're going to realize actually what they need is custom apps. Things you can sometimes build with Lovable, or you custom code, or you build like a little MVP, chatbot, something like that. Once you define your offer, like what you're going to do for them based on the problem that they have, next, you need to start creating some demos, because you want to be able to show this to potential clients, right? Show like a little Loom recording, little website, something you have created to show them that you can actually solve this problem that you're promising. Here, this is simple. If you want to do something, either you already know how to do it, or just there's a bunch of tutorials, there's a lot of no-code tools. You can use Lovable, Replit, If you want to build voice agents, you can use Vapi, Retail AI. If you want to build automations, N10, Make.com, Zapier. All of the tutorials are already on YouTube. So just follow that, build something, record a quick video, and show it on your website. Next, it's about reaching out to leads. So now you have the foundation, right? You have a website, you have a niche, you have an offer, you have a little demo. Now it's about reaching out to potential businesses and trying to sell them something. So you can use different strategies. At the beginning, the easiest is to start doing outreaches. So you outreach via LinkedIn DMs, Instagram DMs. On Google Maps, you can find local businesses, get their emails using a tool like Apollo. You get their emails, like the email of the business owner, and you reach out directly. And you just have to do masses every single day, do like 50 or more every day. Do this for 90 days. For sure, you're gonna land a few clients. Alhamdulillah, you're gonna make some money. The key part here though is when you begin, don't begin with just cold random people. First begin with the people that you know, your immediate network. Then go into your second-degree connections. So the people that you know, who do they know? You reach out to them. And then you go local in your city. This should be the order for you. Don't just go random. So start like if you are, this is just an example, picture like if you're in New York City, start there locally. If you target like real estate, right? Find all the real estate companies in the area and just message them. Because you can use the advantage that you're local. You say like you're in your city, you can propose to meet in person. It creates a lot more trust because when you reach out to strangers online, people assume you're a scam by default. That's just the default how business works. And you have to prove that you're not a scam. So if you can meet them in person, that's going to help as well, right? If you're located there. Or if you reach out to people you know already, or your secondary connections, they already know you, they know you're a legit person, this is going to help. And then you just do this every single day. Now, when you reach out, you need to have a good offer that you're going to give. You need to have a hook. Like, why are you reaching out? Because no one likes salespeople, right? No one likes when someone reaches out and they're trying to sell. So in your first email, your first message, when you reach out to them, you're not trying to sell them anything. You're trying to offer them something for free. Some type of lead magnet, some type of free trial, some guide, some demo that you're going to just set it up for free for them. So that's the goal. And we do a risk reversal approach in all of our offers. We always do this. We tell them, we're going to build this for you, the thing that you want, and you only pay if you're happy. So that's how it works. So let's say we have a client, we get them on a call, they describe a problem they have, we come up on the next call with a proposal, we say, listen, it's going to be $10,000. In 1 month, we're going to finish building this whole implementation for you. However, you don't pay anything today, just sign the contract. And then this is how we got, for example, this deal, $9,500 automation for a law firm. They didn't pay anything upfront. We signed the contract with them. We told them, listen, this is how much time it's going to take. We're going to have milestones, and we want you to pay us after those milestones are done. So for example, after 2 weeks, we had the first milestone, it was around like $4,000. So they paid after we were done. And in the contract, we say, if we're finished and you're happy, at this moment, you pay us and we move to the next step. Now, you might be afraid and think, okay, but what if they scam me? What if they don't pay? If you think about it, if it's a legit business, they sign a contract with you, you're solving a problem that they have. You did a good job at it. They got the first part of the implementation, which is not complete. Like, they cannot do anything really with this first part that you did in 2 weeks. It's just like a piece of the solution. If they see it and they like it, of course they're going to pay you. Because they see that you're a good business partner, you can help them, you deliver on what you promise. So they're going to pay you. We never had in my agency, as well as like our members, it's not a problem that happens. You're going to close way more deals because you have this guarantee in place. You're going to make a lot more money. And the risk that a client wants, like says no, it's infinitely smaller than what you actually believe. This is basically the business model. You find those traditional local businesses, you target them, you figure out the problem that they have, you sell it to them, you build a long-term partnership, you become like a partner for them, and you make some money like this. If you're interested in this business model and you want to learn more, I go a lot more in depth in a live class that I do. I do this every week, alhamdulillah, every 2 weeks. Comment class under this video, and I'm going to reply with a comment, a link to the private class. It's a free class. You can attend in 1 hour. I'm basically going to break down the business model, show you examples of offers, showing how it works, and then answering your questions. And there's going to be a bunch of gifts at the end as well. So sign up if you're interested. Hope you benefited from this. Assalamu alaikum.